What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video we're going to be doing one of the most simplest mod that you can do onto your Tacoma. Reason why is that way you don't get rust. I'll show you guys what I mean. Let's get to the video. So basically in today's easy mod, what we're going to be doing, you guys have probably seen other YouTubers do it. I'm not going to lie to you guys, but just in case you haven't seen it, I'm going to do it anyway. It's super simple, literally takes probably a minute or two. And all you need as far as tools is just a flathead screwdriver. It's that simple. I got this off of, I believe it's CaliRace.com, but in all honesty, you could probably get this at your local hardware store for so much cheaper. What this is just like a heater hose. So if you guys do know, on your guys' Tacoma, whenever you guys do turn your AC on in the summer, it starts leaking water underneath the truck, and where that water is actually leaking from, it's leaking onto the frame. So if you don't take care of that now, when your truck's still pretty new, down the line, if you guys do plan on keeping your truck, of course, for a long time, down the line it's going to rust out your frame. That's probably one of the worst nightmares any car owner can have. So you don't want that to happen to you. You just go ahead and buy this, like I said, your local hardware store, and then you get a hose clamp just like this, super cheap, and it's really easy to do. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So like I said, when you do turn on your AC, you're going to look inside of here. So looking inside, this is on the passenger side of your Tacoma. You're going to see there's a pipe coming out right there. So this is the pipe, basically the drain line from your AC. So in the summer when you guys are running your AC, all that water is actually dropping onto the frame here. And like I had said, if you plan on keeping this truck for a long time, your frame's going to end up rusting. So that pipe that I did show you guys basically is going to go attached into that, and then you're going to reroute it to another part of the truck, which is going to lead to the bottom of the truck. That way it's not rusting anything out. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and loosen up this clamp here just by using a flathead screwdriver, and then this here I'm going to go ahead and insert into there. So noticing this hose is a little bit bigger in diameter and I can stick my finger in it. That one is a lot smaller. Reason why is that way I have enough room to squeeze it in there. And then we'll get the clamp, we'll bring it up, clamp everything down, tighten it down. We'll use some zip ties. As far as the CaliRace, it did come provided, but if not, you could use your own zip ties, and just like I said, reroute it to underneath the truck. Let's do that now. As you can tell, I've now clamped it down, everything's secured. Up next, what you're going to want to do is, like I said, reroute this to where you're going to want to place it. I'm going to sink this in there. I'm going to go underneath the truck and zip tie that away. It's that simple. So as you guys can see it in there, I've just rerouted it. I kind of zip tied it to here. Later down the road I'll probably redo it, but it's just zip tied and it goes down underneath the frame, and I put another zip tie on the back side. So now it'll be leaking downwards versus leaking straight onto here. So that's it. So it's going to be that simple, you guys. If you guys do want to go ahead and purchase it, I've linked it in the description box below. I know today's video was super short. Go ahead and comment down what you guys thought. See you guys on the next one.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you now. Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.